WITSON.
We use yellow box to pack this product. Inside the package, we use this EPE to fix and protect our product. Let's first take a look at the accessories. Power cable. Cable for aux input, output, and others. USB cable. GPS antenna. And microphone. The machine. This is all the things in the package. About this product, here are some buttons here and you can insert DVD here. Let's enter settings. System. About car to check the configuration. Here the model is A227L, the Android version is 10.0 and other information here. It has radio. Click here to search for radio station. And you can also search for radio station manually. Then you can long press to save the radio station. Here is the DSP function. You can adjust by yourself here. Music. You can click here to switch these two parts. And here is also the DSP function. Video. Here is the picture-in-picture function. Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile phone Bluetooth with this machine, and then you can make a phone call or listen to the music of your mobile phone. Here is the Bluetooth music. Navigation. You can click here for more applications like Google Play Store, YouTube, and others. Here in settings, you can connect to Wi-Fi in here, network and internet. And you can change languages in system, your languages and input. About our products, you can follow us on YouTube to get more information.
Zhuhai WITSON Industrial Company Limited, established in 2003, have over 17 years, plenty of experience about car DVD GPS products. Our products mainly include all-in-one special OEM series, vertical Tesla series, universal big screen plus various frame series, and Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz big screen series. For same car type, we can supply different price lever hardware and UI design in order to meet different market demand. WITSON hires faithful professional engineers and marketing sales engaged in car multimedia products over 10 years, developing 5 to 8 new models per month, and can supply over 1,500 different models for different car brand. All our products will have fully QC checking work before shipment. The factory has highly automated production equipment and 100,000 grade standard dust-free workshop, which covers area of 4,000 square meter. Efficient productivity ensures many high-quality and reliable products in short time. We understand time is money under today's increasingly competitive environment, so we keep average 2,000 pieces different models stock monthly to bring our customers with fast and short delivery time to win more market opportunity. Mostly important, we have our European warehouse stock for some hot sales models to supply our EU customers with fast and tax-free shipping way. WITSON accept different business cooperation way, like OEM, ODM, dropship. We trust we could support you increasing the business by our professional experience, various newly developed products, plenty of stock, and one-stop shop service. Join with WITSON and we growth together.
Welcome to WITSON! WITSON, better than expected!
WITSON